Hello friends, I'm Sanchit. Welcome back to our channel Breathing Space. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that you get maximum flowers in your Dianthus plant. Now I have saved this time and I have saved the plants in such a situation so that I can show it to you. Now let me take this flower or this plant. As you can see, there are a lot of dead buds over here, which means that the flowers have bloomed, but I have not done anything with the spent flowers. And what it has done is, this branch is not going to give you any further flowers, but it is still taking your the plant food, the plant resources. So what we need to do is to remove all the spent flowers, just pinch it off so that it doesn't take away the resources of your plant, and your plant will get more food and more resources for new growth. Now this is one tip which you must do with all of your plants to ensure the healthy growth of your plant as well as more growth of your flowers as well. Now same for this as well. Now over here, if you will see that my entire branch is kind of dying off, so I'll remove it altogether from my plant. So we have to take corrective steps at the right time so that the plant will have the enough time and food left for the actual growth of the flowers. Same I'm going to do with this one. Over here, this flower is spent, but this is about to bloom, so I'm going to remove only this one. If the entire branch is gone, then we can remove the entire branch also. Same way for this, just be a little more careful not to damage the main flower, which I've accidentally done with the first one, like this. Now, since they are heavy feeders, I must recommend you to give them fertilizers once in every 2 weeks so that they get enough food and they'll keep blooming the entire winter. Okay guys, I think this must have helped you. It's a very short video and I wanted to show it to you as soon as I can so that you can also take care of such things in your garden. Guys, till then, take care, bye bye, breathe easy.